Yes, good afternoon, Tiffany. This is Ray. It is Tuesday, April 16th, and I'm making this short video to go over your new website with you, go over some of the details of your website and the features. This is your new website. I went based on the examples that you gave me of the couple websites that you said you personally liked. This is the website that I created for you. It incorporates many of those features in the example sites that you pointed out to me. For example, we have a full-size background with colorful pictures of drinks. The background actually changes, and you can have a different background for each page of the website, which I thought added a real nice unique touch. So as you browse the website, you'll notice that every page has a different background, and you can easily change the background of each page anytime you want. Literally takes about 1 minute, and I will provide you with tutorials on how to do that, along with tutorials on how to edit the rest of the website as far as the content is concerned as well. Now, this is the home page of the website. When you land on the home page, you'll notice you have a nice slideshow here, and my purpose for this slideshow is to add an area on the website where you can have some of the main benefits of University of Bartending. You can very easily change the images in the slideshow and the text in the slideshow as well. What I've done is I've loaded up the website with a variety of different images relating to bartending, but of course you can change that. You can change those images yourself. The tutorials will show you how. As you scroll down on the home page, I have your logo prominently on the front page with a headline here: Why Become a University of Bartending Trained Bartender. Now, all of the content on this website is content that I just quickly put together for you. Some of the content I borrowed from other bartending websites. I looked at a lot of websites and doing my research just to get the brainstorming going. And anytime I found a website that had a good example of content, I reworded it a bit for you and put it on your website. Now, of course, you'll want to go through page by page and edit the content to make it exactly what you want it to say, but that's very easy to do. There's a visual editor along with tutorials that show you how to change any of the content. So if I put something that's not quite right or that you'd like to change, that's up to you to do, and you can do it very easily. So when you scroll down, you have the home page here. You have here, when you end the home page, you have questions and answers, and you have bartending course. So you have the two thumbnails, and these are on every page, so that no matter what page you're on, you end with the two call to actions being: go here for our questions and answers, and also bartending course, go here to learn more about the course. On the sidebar of your website, what I've done is I've made room for your social links, Twitter, Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. Now, if you don't have these, it's very easy for you to go and sign up for these, and then just simply provide me with the links and I can link these up for you. If you only have a Facebook and LinkedIn, we can do those two. We can do any combination, so don't worry. You can simply tell me which ones you have, and we can update these to link to your social networks, or you can do it yourself once you get them set up. I'll provide you with tutorials on how to update these links, but this is a good area to have your social links. And then we have the links to the additional pages of your website. I have a little thumbnail here that shows the benefits of bartending, and also what I set up is an area where you can put a video. Now, you don't have a video, or you didn't provide me with a video, but I took one off of YouTube, just a random video, free drink recipe video of the week, and you can actually watch this video on your website. Now, the good thing would be if we could have, you could actually replace this with your videos and maybe every week change it and have a different video each week. This one I took from another bartending school YouTube channel, but just to use as an example to show you what you could do if you create a simple video. You could put it on this side of your website. The video can be anything. It could be a video of past students talking about their success, could be a free recipe every week, whatever. You can use your imagination, but I've made room here in the sidebar area, and you can turn this off and on. So you can turn it off while you create your video, and once you have it, you can turn it back on. There will be tutorials on how that works. Now if we go to the bartending course page, which is right here, again you'll see the slideshow, and I have some information on this page that you can update. I've just put together some example schedules just to show you what the bartending course page should have. It should have everything relating to the course as far as schedule, cost, what they'll learn, what's included, and then you can have this sign up button here which goes to the contact page where people can fill out information requesting to take the first step to signing up. We also have the frequently asked questions page, and you can see each page has a different background. So you can see this page has a blue background, the bartending course page has a different background, so I made that so you can change the background on each page. This is frequently asked questions. This is a page to have the most common questions and answers. When you click on a question, an answer will drop down. It's up to you, Tiffany, to update these Q&As, make them more specific to you and to what you provide. But I've set up several questions and answers to at least give you something that you can simply delete and replace with your own content. I think that'll be easier for you. And then again, we have the page here to the Q&A page, which we're already on, and the bartending course page. That way, no matter what page you're on, you have two eye-catching links back to the most important pages of the website, in my opinion. Again, you can edit the content. If you don't like the images that I'm using or the content, you can change it yourself. This is the job placement page. I thought it would be a good idea to have a page that goes over your job placement service. You can set this up to say whatever you like, but it's just one of those pages that I noticed a lot of other websites had that had bartending training. They had a page discussing the different job placement services they offer. I also have a contact page. This is a general contact page where people can fill out their information to request a callback or an email regarding signing up, or if they just have general questions. You can change this page again to say whatever you like, but I have your address. I'll need you to provide your address, or you can actually update it yourself once I move the site. Your visual editor will allow you to update your address, update your Google Maps, update your phone number. I didn't want to put the phone number that I had for you because I didn't know if that was your personal cell phone. So you'll notice on the website here I have your general phone number, just an example number, 11111. When you give me the actual phone number to the school, I could replace that, or you can do it yourself, up to you. I'll be glad to replace it. And also if you give me the actual address to your school, that way I can update this. But this page has a form, and people can fill out this form to request more information. This can also be a sign-up form. I didn't know if you wanted an actual sign-up form where people can pay and sign up online and actually make a payment for the course. If that's something you'd like, I'd be glad to do it for you. It'd be pretty easy for me to do to get that set up. You would just need to provide me with your PayPal account where the payments should go to, and I can set up an actual sign-up form where people can enroll and pay online. I also have, what I did was I thought it would be a good idea just to have some general bartending articles. This is kind of like an opportunity for you to start a blog for University of Bartending, and maybe once every couple weeks add a new article. I found 3 general articles online. Each one of these articles goes over the benefits of working as a bartender and the job opportunities as a bartender. So it's just general articles. You can name this whatever you want. You can name it our blog, University of Bartending. You can name it, tips and whatever you want, but it's just a good area for you to put general articles about bartending in general. And what happens is that just keeps people on the site longer if there's articles that they can read. And each article that they read is another opportunity for them to see these two buttons here and possibly sign up for your course. So this is your website. Again, I based it off of the examples you gave me, and I made it really very close to the examples without without copying them. I wanted your website to be unique, but you pointed out the two websites that you personally liked, and so I made yours to have many of those same features and the overall same layout. Also here we have a general contact information on the bottom, and also you'll notice that if you look here, you have your menus, and each time you add a page to your website, this menu will automatically update, so you don't have to worry about that. So as you're in your back panel adding content to your website, the menu will update and add a link to each new page as you publish it. That makes it very easy for you. The final step is now to move the website to your domain, which I've already registered. So your domain is ready. Once you tell me that you like the website, I can move it to your domain. I can set up your visual editor along with your tutorials and hand over the keys. You can then log in and fine-tune the content and start using your website. Everything that you see you can easily change using the visual editor, and again, there will be tutorials provided for you, making it very easy. Thank you so much for your patience, Tiffany, and the opportunity to create this website for University of Bartending.